it down to that. Aaron will approve it, and if he doesn't, I'll have to look at it. But it's already done. No, don't even worry about it. Now, what I'm gonna do is send him pictures.
It was
That,
108
that one. Also, our conversation, and,
over 74.
my best friend.
Okay.
He said, I guess you're gonna.
That was,
Again.
and this morning my blood pressure was 106 over 68, so it only went up just a tiny bit. Alright. Now we put this away, and we hope for the best, and we'll check it later. That was my afternoon check, so check it again tonight. Alright, that is the sound of blood pressure with reading.